2018 Toyota Camry XSE V-6. Toss out Toyota Camry during the word association game, and most automotive enthusiasts would respond with some allegory for anonymity, appliance, or a similarly unflattering description for automotive wallpaper. The latest Camry, with its all-new platform, fresh powertrains, and expressive styling, attempts to shake off that image. The range-topping Camry XSE V-6 is the most effective implementation of that retooling, blending the lineup's most powerful engine with the sportiest trim level. This XSE is part of the sportiest pillar of the Camry family, which also includes the lower-spec SE. Toyota has an entirely different L vertical with L, and XLE Camrys that wear toned-down front and rear bumpers and ride on more comfort-oriented suspension setups in order to attract traditional Camry buyers. Even those softer-edged L models are notably more satisfying to drive than past Camrys. But the S trims build on the solid foundation with firmer damping, bigger wheels with wider tires, and distinctive front and rear bumpers with gaping intakes and lots of blacked-out trim. That you can order the XSE with a contrasting black-colored roof, a $500 option, and a blood red interior speaks volumes about Toyota's lowered inhibitions. The XSE, as well as its L counterpart, the XLE, unlocks the option of grabbing the Camry's new 301 horsepower 3.5-liter V6 engine. With port and direct fuel injection, the 6 is 33 horsepower stronger than last year's port-injected 3.5-liter V6. Torque is up 19 pounds-to-foot to 267, peaking at the same 4,700 revolutions per minute as before. Other 2018 Camrys are propelled by a 2.5-liter inline-4 or a gas-electric hybrid powertrain. The V6 Camry is intriguing not only for its substantial horsepower, but also for having 6 cylinders. Nearly every competitor has turned to smaller, turbocharged 4 cylinders for their up-level engine options, including the Camry's nemesis, the Honda Accord. This V6 is a stonker, though, sending the Camry from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 5.8 seconds, 2.1 seconds quicker than a 4-cylinder Camry SE we tested. And it spits an edgy snort out of the XSE quad exhaust outlets, one that's more distinguished than a 4-cylinder competitor's vacuum blender soundtracks. Still, the 252 horsepower turbocharged inline-4 in Honda's top dog Accord 2.0T scoots that model to 60 miles per hour 0.3 seconds quicker. Although the two sedans have nearly equal peak torque, the 2.0T Accord has barely any torque steer, whereas the Toyota has plenty.